Hi, my name is Josie and this is my coding lab submission. This is a Python economy bot that I have built. It has tons of features which will be shown with the help command, including a balanced inventory, working, which is solving math equations for money, rock paper scissors with the bot to stake the amount of money you earn. There's also a shop function where you can buy shovels and fishing rods to use the fish or dig function. As you can see here, if I go to my inventory, I have 16 fishing rods. Now I can use the fishing rods to run the fish command, and as you can see here, for every fish command that I run, different statements will pop up, and those different statements can mean like very different things. So if I were to go to my inventory here, now I have 13 fishing rods because I've run the fishing command 3 times. There are also many other functions that I can use, like for example I can rock paper scissors against the board over here, where I can play with the board and then first to 3 points wins. So as you can see, I've chosen scissors and the program has chosen paper, so I have 1 point. So this will go on and go on until either the player or the program has reached 3 points. So now we will move on to the code. So the main program is for the interface of the program. So for example, when you run the program, it will initialize. The initialization function is from the handlers, and the run function is for the entire code. For example, it will ask the user what it would like to run, and then based off the input that the user has typed in, it will run a specific code. So some of the specific codes will come from handlers. Handlers is basically a collection of functions that can help shorten the code, because functions can be used unlimited times, and you don't have to copy and paste every single chunk of code every time you want to use it. So some of the functions include getting the list of commands for the help command that we just saw, getting the items list, so the items that are available in the shop. Like for example, the shark and fossil are each respectively available in the fish and dig commands. You can get them from there if you are lucky enough. Saving changes to the storage pickle file every time the balance or the inventory would change. So these are some examples of the commands that are in the handlers.